Alright, this is Pin My Ride. This is AAA Juice Dog. And this is DeAndre. Alright, come here. Come. Look at these quality mirrors. I spent about 30 racks on that right there. See these right here? Them from the hood, bruh. How clean these boys are. Yeah, you couldn't get that even if your mama sold her house. Thanks. We got McDonald's wrappers in with phone charger. In case anybody want to run up on DeAndre. DeAndre, out.
Here we go with my guy Ralph. This man can go 43 miles per hour. See this spectacle right here? It is a god. I dodge so much traffic. Works like a genius. Now you gotta unlock this in case someone runs up on you. Here we go, $5. Mom gave it to me. Rule book. Always gotta follow the rules. My nice shades. Thug life. 5S works like a genie. Lots of change. I'm certified.
Alright, yo. So, I'm the normal one of the channel. We got a nerd and a DeAndre. This bad boy, it goes about 42 mile an hour. It's a speedster, bi-turbo, Tomos sticker, and another Tomos sticker. Up by like 2 cc's each. I got 2 stickers on the front because the dummy who had it before me dropped it and it scratched it. Clean as a whistle. When I'm bored, I polish my bi-turbo. This is not sponsored by Smith's. I don't know where that's from, I just found it. Dude, what are you doing?
Fuck you, DeAndre.
What? What you want? Get up. What? Get up. What? I'm out of gas, fuckers.